This is tutorial 13 about the ruled surface tool. I am going to make some sketch here. So I have this sketch. Now I'm going to use the revolved surface tool or swept surface to be better result. I'm going to activate the swept surface. So I'm going to choose this surface, and here I'm going to choose the path. So now I have this shape. Now let's activate the ruled surface tool, and as we see here we have many options: tangent to surface, normal to surface, and here the edge selection. So let's choose this edge, and as we see here another surface, and here I can increase the distance. In this option it can be normal to surface, and here we are not showing any result for this choice because the shape of the edge. So but I'm going to cover it in the examples later as well here. So let's choose tangent to surface and choose other edges as well. Change it to normal to surface and then press OK. As we see here we have a ruled surface, the whole new ruled surface. So in order to separate these surfaces we can edit the feature here and press and remove this choice, trim and knit, press OK, and here we see we have 3 separated surfaces. But I'm going to keep the trim and knit choice, I'm going to apply the ruled surface again on this edge. Let's activate and choose this edge, and at this time and press OK. So now I can close this tutorial with this advanced shape, and see you in the next tutorial.